A warm and joyful welcome to each one of you.
Today, we are gathered here for a battle of wit, logic, and perspective. In this full debate competition 2025, get ready to witness some fierce arguments, perspectives, and of course, a display of intellect at its finest.
I am Ria.
And I can back together will be your host for today's session.
Today's debate centers around a thought-provoking theme: a man be replaced by artificial intelligence?
The question of whether AI can replace humans is a complex and ongoing debate, and our participants are here to share arguments for and against the motion.
Today, I, Shivanshi, along with my team Sachin and Krishna, are here to speak for the motion supporting artificial intelligence on the topic AI versus physical skills. According to the CEO of Google, Sundar Pichai, AI is more important than fire and electricity. Even in OpenAI, the creators of advanced AI systems believe that AI can solve global problems and help boost human potential. AI helps us in various sectors like medicals, education, etc. and covers when our abilities, our physical and mental abilities fall short. So now, let's see that how AI is not just our future, but our greatest opportunity.
A very cheerful good morning to respected jury members, the teachers, my fellow opponents here, and the dear audience. Today I, Anushka, with my teammates Aditya and Anvesha, are here to speak against the motion, can man be replaced by AI? Indeed, AI has become an inseparable part of our life. From doing automate routine tasks to handling and analyzing massive data sets. But are these abilities enough to replace the human beings? Some may argue that AI has already done so much that it is ready to replace us humans. But let me remind you all that AI is just a tool that is created by humans, that is used by humans and are limited by humans. Because AI only works on the data and algorithms that we humans produce. Without AI, without these, AIs are just mere machines and codes. AI doesn't have emotions of its own. It cannot feel happiness and it cannot grieve with you when you are sad. It does not have a mind of its own. It does not have a conscience according to which it can act independent or give independent decisions to us. The question, can AI replace humans? We don't believe so because AI just replicates and mimics human beings. Either it be a human behavior, human nature, and even the physical skill. So, it is us humans that have a soul, a heart, and morality that the AIs can never replace or mimic. So, we strongly disagree that AI can replace humans.
Today our team is going to speak for the motion. Can AI replace human intelligence? AI is changing our world very rapidly. AI, it is not a dream, but it has become a reality in this world. We are using Siri, Alexa, and Gemini, which are working as our personal assistants. It also helps the doctors to diagnose the diseases and quickly and accurately. It also helps the farmers. In managing the crop production by predicting the weathers. Many self-driven automobiles are being manufactured to reduce the accident levels in our country and deliver the goods safely. Many chatbots which are on phones when we are talking to any helpline numbers, they are speaking and entertaining our questions 24/7. We we must accept this change in the world that AI is gonna replace the human beings in future, not completely, but they will take our place in our day-to-day life. We must take this change in a positive manner and hope for the future where artificial intelligence will completely own the human beings and the human beings will rely on artificial intelligence. Thank you.
Good morning, respected jury members, respected teachers, opponents, and everyone present over here. Our topic is, can human intelligence be replaced by AI? And me, Suhani, Shagun, and Jagriti, we are saying against the motion. I want to begin by saying something simple but often forgotten. There's no machine in the world that knows how it feels to stand in front of your loved ones and not know how to apologize. No machine can understand how it is like to be a parent pretending not to cry when your child says, I hate you, or teacher staying up all night preparing for the student who may never say thank you. AI can do anything, but it doesn't know how much it costs us to be humans. The motion says AI can easily replace human skills. Easily? But skill isn't speed or output. Skill is being a shopkeeper who remembers what kind of price the regular customer needs as he prefers the small packet. Skill is being a student who helps another with a chapter he has already mastered, not for grade, not for praise, just for his or her struggle. Skill is being a driver who senses his passenger getting scared and slows down even though they are already late. AI doesn't think, it processes. It doesn't understand silence, it needs input. It doesn't sit beside a friend who is going through a breakdown and offer him a chocolate he didn't ask for. So skill is not about what we do. Skill is how we do it, and that how comes from living. So no, AI cannot replace human skill so easily because human skill is not a product. It is a process of being alive, of failing, trying, caring, adapting things a machine cannot be. So, and if you have ever relied on someone who just got you without an explanation, then deep down you know that too. Thank you.
Now, we move on to the rebuttal round, where the speakers challenge the opposing views and defend their stance.
Humans have also made mistakes, and humans have made bigger mistakes or much more number of mistakes than AI have. Yes, I completely agree that the mistakes made by AI in the past year can be listed on maybe 2 sheets of papers, counting all the news programs that we have had. Human mistakes, like the same number of mistakes are committed by humans in every minute. I totally agree with that. That was a beautiful point raised by Ashok. I want to say the difference between an AI making a mistake and the difference between a human making a mistake is that we understand, we feel guilt after we do it, we apologize, we sit with our actions, we feel the shame, we cry about it, we apologize, we change, we learn from our mistakes. And AI does not do that unless it is programmed to. And AI will never say I'm sorry, it will say errors 404. It will not try to change its actions, or it will not try to change the way it responded. It will say, oh please rerun the page, the code is not found. And AI does not change, it just updates. And what happens to the damage that it has caused? There is no one, not a single person that will take accountability of the damage that the AI had caused.
Absolutely, AI doesn't have any emotions. But if a person don't have anyone to talk, where he will go and talk? Their first option will be an artificial intelligence, where he or she can tell their frustration.
Will come under the physical skills. So in which place do you want to go? Physical skills or artificial intelligence?
As my opponent said, that physical skill is more better than the artificial skills, and all of us are talking about only the emotion that it conveys, and does it not conveys. But why don't we talk about that AI can help us feel in various other matters? I know that it can't display emotion, it can't let us feel emotion, it can't make us feel emotions. but it can make the world to change. It can make a better development for us. Country can develop. Nowadays, can be seen everywhere. We are surrounded by AI. Why don't we tend to realize that AI is just not something that we need to discard from our life, but to take it as an asset and put it in our life to make our life more easy and more. We can say that AI works most faster than a human. It is really an asset, or we can say a major point. Humans can't work faster than AI.
We cannot really expect AI to have emotions. But this debate is about, can AIs replace humans? So when we talk about if AIs can really replace humans, we need to think about that AI should have emotions to make decisions.
It is really important to have really emotions to make decisions. Decisions can be made logically. Decisions are basically, in my opinion, is based on logic. Without logic, there is nothing possible. If we only play with emotions, to work with emotions, to really emotions help us go somewhere that we desire, or the goal that we really want to achieve.
They don't have the fees to pay in the hospital. Doctors and surgeons operate only when their fee is submitted and deposited. They don't even try to think that if I save this person might give me the money later. They just want money and they focus on earning more and more and not saving people.
Did you just tell me that every man in an official post in India, every man who fights for justice, who fights at borders, did you just tell me that none of them care about the country, about its people? I'm sorry if you feel like I twisted your words, but that is what I understood. You just said that if there are judges, if there are lawyers, they don't care about the betterment of the people. You just told me they just care about money. What is the average salary of lawyers in India? Do you think, okay, your point was that they don't care about the betterment of people. Does AI? Does AI care? Your point is that humans are better than AI. So if you are saying that that humans don't care about the people, does AI?
I give suggestions. I don't really say that AI really helps us with the life or death decision. They really don't, and we don't need the life and death decisions to be made by the AI, to be taken by the AI. We don't really need that. Just we need that. We need to realize that AI is much more useful than that. We are only focusing on the emotional and human support that a human need. Why don't we see that the country also need AI?
First and foremost, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our respected principal for their concerned support and constant encouragement. Your belief in our abilities and your guidance have played a vital role in making this event a successful one. We are truly thankful for your presence and motivation. We are deeply grateful to our esteemed judges for gracing us with their presence and lending their expertise to this event. Thank you for your time and expertise. I also want to extend a big thanks to all our staff members and teachers for their active involvement and support throughout the preparation. Your cooperation helped us stay organized and efficient at every step. A heartfelt thanks to all the students, not just the participants, but everyone who helped maintain silence and showed great support to their fellow classmates. Your discipline and encouragement create a positive atmosphere and gave confidence to those performing on stage. Last but not the least, a big applause to the participants who brought excitement to the stage. Thank you all once again for making this event so memorable. Let's continue to support and celebrate each other's same spirit. Thank you.